You can create, run and save a macro simply by going to the macro menu and selecting New. You can now simply start typing your macro here into the editor. Or perhaps someone has sent you some code, or maybe you've gone to our forum page and the macros forum and found a macro there that you'd like to use. Simply copy the code and then paste it into the editor. You can now run this by clicking on Run, and you can save it by clicking on Save. The directory in which your macros are saved is set in your project preferences. Here the macro path is a path that you can change yourself. You can also associate a macro with a 2-key keyboard shortcut. Simply go to Macro, Define Macro Shortcuts. Select the macro that you've saved, and then save and close. Now by clicking on Q0, I can simply run the macro again.